Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to urgent off-campus hiring full-time jobs for the freshers batch, and one of the most important point that I have to mention in this video, like this is from the good MNCs and the 4 top MNCs hiring for the freshers batch. If you are from 23, 22, 24, 21 batch, you can apply for this opportunity. And one of the most important point, like there is a no 60% criteria in 10th, 12th or graduation, so you have to must apply for the opportunity. Salary is 5 to 8 LPA. Let's start. One of the most important point on our channel online learning, we provide the latest job opportunities update as well as companies update, so please check. First opportunity is from Nokia for the role of software developer digital trust, and in this they like mention that if you have a 0 to 3 years of experience in software development industry, you can apply. So if you completed your degree, so you can apply for the opportunity, and if you have a master, so it is a plus point. But one of the most important point, 22, 21, 2020 batch can apply for the opportunity, and they just mention some of the technical knowledge as well as the certification points. Okay, so you can click on apply now for this opportunity and apply for this. So they can offer in between 5 to 8 LPA salary according to your experience. And next opportunity is from Globant, and they are hiring for the freshers. And if you are from 2019 to, like if you are from 2020 to 21 batch, you can apply for the opportunity. In the probation period, salary is 3.8. After confirmation, there is 4.8, and work from office is there. So this is the complete step. You can apply for the opportunity, and Globant is good company. You can try for applying the opportunity. Next opportunity is from Toast for the role of software engineer intern challenge, and this is for the 22 and 23 grads data structures and algorithm challenge. And they like offer you the good package, or I can say that like they offer you the good stipend according to your skills. 10 MCQ, 2 basic programming question, and why over 50,000 restaurants love Toast. Number one point of skill always available, stronger performance, low cost delivery. They are hiring for software engineer intern, and if you are currently enrolled in academic program, you can apply for the opportunity. Test is live and it will be closed on the 15th, so start now. Okay, next opportunity is from HP for the role of college intern, and this opportunity is for 2023 and 2024 batch. If you are on the summer break, or if you have a time that is related to internship, so you can apply for the opportunity. And there are so many different role and experience in this. If you are enrolled in university, there is no 60% criteria for they just mention that there is a no 60% criteria in the Nokia itself, and in the Toast there is no criteria, in the HP there is no criteria. Must apply for this opportunity. Drop a like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.